So yeah, today we are going to be planning out my fitness week. I have another video up here showing you what my goals are this year for my body and everything. And this month of February, I just want to be even more consistent than before. I can say that with my makeup, I have been consistent, and with some other things in life, I have been more consistent with. But with I have been going to the gym, but as far as my nutrition and everything like that, I feel like it has been slacking because I haven't been wanting to stay on track. I always let myself get sidetracked. I let tiredness and mood swings take over. I let other things take over, and I feel like I am definitely flunking in that area. My weight has definitely been up and down for the last couple of weeks, and I just want to really get back on track. So I technically do not know what I want to do with my nutrition, but I am on this 6-week shred with Gauge Girl Training, and this is the last 2 weeks of it. And we're supposed to be having our calories are going to go down this week, and I think I'm just going to try that for the next 2 weeks and just to see where I'm at and stuff. I have some appointments with fitness and metabolics and just trying to get my life right, so hopefully that will aid in it. And then hopefully by the end of the 2 weeks, I'll know like what diet I want to be in, how my nutrition is. I have changed some of my habits and all that good stuff. And also for the month of February, there's no eating out too, so I have to make all my meals, so that is also going to be another challenging things. But I just wanted to pull up my 6-week shred here and go down to, well, I want to go to phase 3 because on Monday we are starting phase 3, and I just wanted to get what meals I'm supposed to be having. So this right here is just extension pack, or expansion pack as some people like to say, of the fitness planner. And it just has a weekly meal tracker and a weekly exercise tracker. And I know they have made happy planners for this, but I'm kind of refusing to buy it just because I have these right now, even though it is only, I think, 4 months worth of it in here. But some of the pages in here are extra, so I guess you can like make 5 months out of it if you want to. This actually is an extra from last month, so yeah. So I'm gonna look back at my meal planner, and it says, well, I'm supposed to start on Sunday, so that is a fail. So I'm actually gonna do Saturday and Sunday. Sunday is supposed to be a new meal. Let's figure this out. Change around this so yeah, so I have meal 9, and meal 9 on this day, and meal 10, and meal 10, and then I can start on Sunday meal 11, or just have a free day of watch my calories or something like that, watch calories. And then the next week I'm gonna just start, or I can have, or meal 11. And I am deciding to write all of this in pencil first because it is just better that way. So I do make a lot of mistakes, so yeah. Alright, cool. So now we're into the fitness, the healthy hero, and some quotes. So I do want to go into my quotes one very soon. I really feel like I'm talking very soft, and I feel like it's only because my son is asleep. And with these, I don't really set a color theme anymore. Just whatever comes to me, comes to me. I am going to cover up this notes part because I don't never use it. I never use it. So give yourself a little pep talk, which is basically what I'm going to be telling myself every day to do, because guess what? I'm not going to feel like it. I'm not going to feel like going to the gym every day. I'm not going to feel like eating right every day. So just to give myself a good reminder, especially since I look at it every day. I do actually plan every day. I didn't think I did at first, but now, you know, that I'm really thinking about it, looking at it, I actually do plan every day. Just my fitness one is my oldest one. Also, don't mind my nails. I just took them off, so my nails are like atrocious. Okay, my thing down to reverse it. Nothing yet. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit. I know on Wednesdays that I am gonna rest. Thursday. Okay, I think I unknowingly became a theme. Cause look, there's an Eat Smart. Eat Smart sticker. Dinner. Snickage. I was like, what the fuck? Put that randomly. Yes, I did. Whatever. And this layout does have a monthly layout. But like I said, this is extra from my last month. So yeah, I was keeping track of like my workouts and stuff within. I actually got an app that just tells me. So yeah. I mean, I got an app to track my workouts. Friday I'm gonna work out. What is underneath? What's underneath here? Okay, nothing. Monday I'm gonna work out. And I want to work out 5 times this week, so I haven't worked out 5 days in a week in a long time. So this is definitely gonna be different from what I'm used to. And I also want to like right here, like also how I was feeling that day. You know what I mean? Like say how I was feeling that day, like, oh, today I felt totally tired but I still stuck it out. You know, stuff like that. That to me is more encouraging than anything. And then Saturday I'm just gonna do something. Alright, cool. So I already know how I want things to go. So now I am gonna take a black Sharpie here. And put actually my workouts of the day. So this day, I'm competing in this 6-week shred with my boat, I guess with my ship too. And if you attend their classes, you get extra points. So I do want 2 extra points this week because last week I only went to 1. So I only have 1 point to that. So I want to do circuit training. And then on Friday? No. Thursday I want to go again, which is circuit training. It's an hour class. I don't know how many calories I burn, but it's a really good class. Tuesday I want to do a HIIT class or a cardio, something with cardio. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna make Tuesday definitely is gonna be a cardio day. So I guess we'll do some HIIT training, which will just be cardio though. And then same for Friday, it will just be some what's called active rest day. So just be an active rest day, and that means just at a steady state for a long period of time. I'm going to be doing for a steady state at a long period of time. I'm just going to be like flushing out the fluids in my body that are, you know, stuck and not active. It's good. So going back to my phone, I'm just going to be going in and looking at these meal plans for this week. This is also how I figure out what meals and groceries I have to get for the week too. Hopefully I stick to it. I got a chicken on thaw right now. Okay, cool. So let's put this here. I'm just gonna go ahead and write in my meals of this week. I'm just gonna fill in this, and basically it's just gonna be the same, and same with this, just gonna fill out the same. So Oh, also on this too, with the 3rd week, I am going to be intermittent fasting, which is a 16-8. And just, I think it's just because there is so little bit of calories within the last set of Weight Watching that you really have to like prepare yourself. So that's why also I'm not starting on tomorrow, because then that'll mean I'll basically have to stop eating right now, which I'm not doing. So here we go. Blueberry muffin, overnight oats. Okay, there's no snack, but maybe I have a protein shake. And then, how about this zucchini noodle chicken marinara. And then last will be a skillet cumin chicken. Okay, cool. And all of it, all these ones, all it says is a rotisserie chicken breast. And since I'm already cooking up a whole chicken, that's not going to be bad at all. And then let's go to menu 10. Then we'll have the protein shake 2 here. Because then that'll be after working out. Protein shake here. And then I'll probably just wake up and have one or something like that. 10. Smoothie. This one says a smoothie. Smoothie. Then this says the ramen. Spell that wrong. Asian cabbage salad. This one says the Asian chicken fried rice bowl. And I'll be there, and then me just figuring out what I want. Cause Saturdays, Sundays, or whatever, usually my day, and they're really hectic. So yes. Okay, cool. You know, we are in there. We got it. Same thing. Boom. And I say this, I'm leaving these kind of blank just in case I do fall off, so I can just like actually change it. But I know I'm going to be seeing within the carbs, the macros, and all that stuff. Actually, let me look at this. We shall see. I'm going to see if there's any food. I'm just going to decorate this a little bit more. You can do it. You got this. And I do have the LifeSum app on my phone to keep track of everything. Because like I said, I do go to work. Everything is not all the way there for me, but yes. And literally, you guys, that is it. That is all. We're keeping it really simple. I just like to plan this out because, you know, it just keeps me accountable. And this is in my catch-all binder. Not my catch-all binder. What's it called? My catch-all planner. So literally, I'm just going to flip to my at the gym section, which is basically my fitness and nutrition. And just pop this in there. And with me being on intermittent fasting and, you know, at work around all this temptation where I am going to be drinking a lot of tea and water. Let's just say that I will be drinking a lot of tea and water. Mostly water. Okay, guys, that is it. That is all. That is the end of my planning. I'm going to drink. Bye.